This video is to change parking brakes on Vauxhall Zafira C or Vauxhall Zafira Tourer with electronic parking brakes. For this job you need scanning tools. Here I use top down, and you go to service and maintenance, then brake, you find Vauxhall in here. Vauxhall. Obviously you need ignition on. That's a VIN number, Zafira C 12 to 17, 2012 to 17, special function. Then you apply parking brake cable service apply. Then parking brake cable service release, and you can hear it releasing. Then we're ready to change the brakes. You turn ignition off, take the key off, make sure you secure front wheel, as you haven't got now parking brakes. Most of Zafiras have a 19mm spanner socket, and you need locking wheel nut. You need 10mm socket or spanner to take this bolt and that bolt there. Now you just pull the calipers off, wiggle a bit, and they will come out. Put them safe like that. You need a screwdriver just to take that out. Still got a bit inside. Here we go. And same another one. I recommend you to pull this out, clean it and lubricate it. I just pull out. Okay. You need a screwdriver to remove this pads holder. Same other one as well. It's a good thing if you've got a bit of chalk, just mark it in there for that loop there, because that has to go into this of the pad. Now you have to use compression tools, ordinary compression tools. Compression tools, it's just to push cylinder, because now that cylinder it's free to go, and we get from here. This is the rear brake pad. You see it got a piece of metal in here. This goes on top. After you clean it, everything, you have to use wire brush to clean it as well, and some brake cleaner. The new brake pad's on the place now, and fine, I think. Just push this a bit. It's very hard to do with one hand. Everything is on the place now. The last bit, it's again with the computer. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, now we come back again to the computer. You have to go parking brake calibration. Go on it. Okay. You can hear now how it's calibrating. Okay. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.